few reasons why your campaign isn't working well. So like the first reason is not enough impressions. Maybe you see, okay, you know what, this is a good keyword and I'm getting sales on it, but I'm still not ranked on the top of page 1. Well, how many sales did you get this week? That's one question I ask a lot of people and they don't even know. They say, yeah, you know what, I'm getting sales on this keyword, I'm bidding on it, but I'm still not anywhere, I'm still not ranked organically for it. Okay, where are you ranked? They have no idea where they're ranked. Where are you positioned organically for this keyword now? Were you tracking it? Where were you last month to this month? And how many sales did you get on it? Are you getting consistent sales every day on this keyword? So many people are just looking at things on a campaign level. They're not even tracking it on a search term level, which is like the most important thing. You could be getting sales, you know, every week I got a few sales, but did you get enough sales to show Amazon's algorithm that we need to be on the top of page 1 for this word? And is it consistent? Is it like one day you're getting sales, one day you're not? Or is it every day you're getting sales on this keyword because you know, okay, if I get 30 or 40 sales on this keyword in 7 days, Amazon's gonna put me on the top of page 1. That's how simple it is. So people bid too low sometimes. They'll have their, you know, their ad showing in the middle of the page or the bottom of the page because they think, oh, the ACoS is good like this. Whenever I increase my bid, whenever I get to the top of the page, my ACoS goes too high. But is there a strategy there, or is it just you're trying to get a low ACoS? And a lot of people are bidding on irrelevant keywords. They're just letting auto campaigns do all the work with that. That's fine. Auto campaigns are great. You can get amazing results with auto campaigns. But it also depends on how is your listing optimized. Is your listing optimized the right way? Did you do the correct research? Did you do the product research and look at the competition? I'm looking at 4 different competitors. These are my main competitors. I want to see where are they getting all their organic sales from? Where are they getting everything? How is their business built? Amazon lets us look that up. Okay, so these are our top 4 guys that I'm competing with. Where are they getting all their sales from? So what you do is you reverse engineer. You look at, okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I want to see what position they are in the first 10 spots. You know, I want to see which keywords they all have in common in the first 10 spots. Those keywords in short tail and in long tail format. Are those keywords embedded in my listing? Is it in the title? Is it in the bullets? Is it in the description? Is it in the search terms? Is it in the alt text? So many people don't even fill out keywords in the alt text. They think, you know what, it's not proven to work. So what? If it's not proven, that means you leave it blank. They give you a box that says keywords. You're gonna leave it blank because you don't have proof that it works? Wouldn't it make more sense to put the keywords in and, you know, at least you did everything you can do as opposed to leaving it completely empty? Like they say, Amazon said, put up to 100 characters in it. You're gonna leave it blank or you're gonna put 1 word in it? It makes 0 sense. So that's one thing. And then another thing is your title starting with the main keywords? Are your bullets starting with the main keywords? There's so many different things that need to be looked at. I'm not trying to overcomplicate it. It's not hard. It's not hard if you follow the step-by-step guide. These are the keywords, here are 30 different keywords. And then you look, okay, how many times did I put this keyword in my title? How many times did I put these keywords in my bullets? How many times did I put these keywords in my description? And you have to go one by one and just look at it and just make sure that every keyword is accounted for in some place, with the best keywords being in the title and in the bullets, and all the other remaining keywords put in the description, put in the alt text, put in the backend search terms. You cannot leave out a good keyword.